Hello there, welcome to Oak Prepaid Discount. Before we start, let's get one thing very clear immediately. Shopify does not allow payment method based discount on any of Shopify plan. You cannot say give 10% off X payment method. Shopify simply does not support that kind of logic natively. But Oak Prepaid Discount solves exactly this gap. And here is how it works. When you install and set up the Oak app, adds a prepaid payment option like this or this selector directly is on your card page right above or near to your checkout button. And when customer selects prepaid, Oak does two things. First, it automatically applies the discount you configured inside Oak. And second, it routes to the customer into a controlled checkout experience where only the payment method you configure inside Oak are visible. So let's say if you configured Stripe and credit card as a payment method inside Oak, and when prepaid is selected, customer will see only those allowed payment method on checkout. No cash on delivery or other kinds of payment gateway option which you haven't added inside the Oak. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our first discount using Oak. Let's name it prepaid discount and I want to give 5% off. The third step is very important. You need to copy the payment method names from your Shopify dashboard. Okay, so I have this for credit cards. I will write this. And on my checkout, I have another option which is called bank deposit. You can see it under over here as well, bank deposit. So I'll copy this as well and add this. You can also select some of the popular option over here. If you do not find, just go on your payment settings, copy the payment method and add it over here. Once you've added the option, go ahead and save the discount, keeping all the remaining settings as it is. Next step is to integrate the theme app extension. Once you activate, this banner would turn to green, which means your theme app extension is successfully installed. The next option is to edit the button. You can keep the target button text as it is. However, if your cart uses different checkout text on your cart, you need to put an enter and add the exact checkout word which you have over your cart so that these options can be placed near to your cart. Next, I will go ahead and make some changes in my radio button. I would say non-discounted checkout and I would keep the 5% off prepaid. Okay, and I've saved the settings. You can pick either of these two options, either 2 discounts or 1 radio button with a 1 checkout options. Okay, let's go to the site, reload it. And since I have something in my cart already, we can go ahead and see the options. We have 2 options already on the checkout, on the cart. Okay, so if you go through this option, you will find all the payment options which are available on your on your website. But if you click on 5% off prepaid and you click on checkout, you will only see the option which we have configured inside the Oak. So we have these 2 payment options, credit card and bank deposit, which we configured, and we have prepaid discount applied over here as well. However, if I go back and let me add something to the cart, and I go via non-discounted checkout, I'll have other payment option like cash on delivery and no discount on the checkout. I hope this works. If you have any questions, please feel free to write to us over here by clicking on the chat button. Thank you.